This is Cooper. Hi. Cooper's our golden retriever. He's 8 months old, but today I was going to show you guys how to do some pretty basic tricks that can help, like that we've liked. I'm sure most of you are better dog trainers than me, but hey, it's Zoom at noon, so we'll do some random stuff. Cooper, so the first trick I'm going to show you is we taught him how to ring the doorbell. A bell on the door to go to the bathroom. I know a lot of people teach their dog this, but I'm going to show you the progression real quick. And the reason we do that is because that leads into the progression of how to train your dog, how to touch things that you point at. So, or eventually go and grab things that you point at and bring them to you. You're not going to see that because I'm not there yet with him. Hold on. For the initial trick, we do like these little treats that are, he likes them a lot, but you can get it released. But they're relatively lower value treats for him. They're called Charlie Bears, super low calorie for him, so he can give a ton, but they're not his favorite. And so when we do harder stuff, I have chicken breasts that I give him. First thing I do is I bring him over, and this is our bell. This is our bell. So the first thing we need to get him to it is you just kind of play with him, and then as you get him close, come here, buddy. You give him the command, and if he gets near it, yes. I say yes, and I give it to him, and I keep doing it. Cooper, come here. Come here. Yes. Right? And then then slowly, smart dogs, as they realize, if you sit there, come here. Oh, yes. So as soon as he starts touching it, so that's the initial progress. But he's further than that now, and eventually I start saying, ring, ring. Oh, yes. Okay. And then if you do that a bunch, you back away a little further. Come here. Come here. Sit. Sit. I know, you smell it there. Come here. Ring. Ring. Yes. Good boy. So he smells the chicken, so let me get it out of here real quick. As you can see, as you go longer, you can start telling him to ring, but you point it. Ring. Ring. Yes. Good boy. All right, so from that trick, which you'll get him, then what he'll start doing is ringing when you want to go to the bathroom, but that's not the hard part. So the next trick you teach, which you still use ring, is every time you see I say ring, ring, I'm pointing to the door. And so this sounds weird, but the command now is ring for everything, right? So now the whole thing is I start going again to something new. Cooper, ring, ring, yes. So that's command for him to touch stuff. And right now we're working on it to be closer. So I can get him to really touch anything. Sit, wait, ring. Yes, good boy. Or the next progression is you have a drawer that you want open, but you want to teach him how to close it. Cooper, ring, ring, ring. Come on, you're close, ring. So usually he'll push hard enough, and then the goal is he'll start pushing hard enough to close it. Okay? So that is the ring trick. Has anyone taught their dog the ring trick that's way better than Cooper at closing doors yet?
The ring trick works. The problem is my dog used to ring it, and then they ring it every freaking minute when they want to go outside. So be careful of that one. I had to break her. I had to break my dog of the ring trick, but you're doing a good job. All right. So then
the next trick, which is in our house in the morning, we take different vitamins and things like that, and we usually put piles of vitamins for each of us to take. And if they drop on the floor, you want to make sure your dog doesn't grab it, or if I drop something high value. If I drop something I don't want him to eat, it's about getting him to wait. So the way I've trained this, and you can do it with your dog, is take the weight. I want to make sure you can see. Here you go, buddy. Down. All right, so it's the wait command. But basically, so we start really far away, and eventually, though, once he starts listening to wait, you start touching him with the food and seeing what happens. So this is the first trick. Come closer to his paws. Wait. Wait. Well, keep it here. Come, try this one. Wait. Wait.
Torture.
Release.
Good job.
All right, so then once he gets patience, then you go for the nose. Come here. Wait. Wait with me. Release. Good boy.
Nice one.
All
Good
right,
puppy.
So that's just a progression that this lady taught us. I was thinking that I would probably be I've not had a lot of dogs, so maybe this is super basic tricks, but if anyone has any dog with them right now that has any cool tricks, I'm happy to see it. That's what I was hoping, is to get an idea of some different tricks. This is really this is everything. Danielle has taught him one trick, and I'll have her show you.
Kiss. Yeah.
Oh.
So
That's all I got.
So wait, the reason we taught him that was because it keeps him, when he's near people's faces, his instinct isn't to do anything other than lick. So although the jump is something we're not trying to do, so you could go.
Well, Ryan, another easy one when the dog's already jumping is to dance. You can put it over her nose and just back her up a little bit, and then twirl is one that's easy.
How do you do the twirl?
Well, you get her to dance, and then you move the thing, and then they just dance around trying to get the treat.
That's actually
You know
a
what I'm
smart
saying?
trick. Yeah, that's awesome.
And rolling over, you do the rolling over the same way. You just have their nose follow the trick, and then eventually they roll over. And you could use a word like bang. We use bang, and then they just kind of roll over, play dead for, they play dead actually. You say bang, and they lay on their side. But there's lots of good tricks, and this is a great idea. So rather than having other people show their dog tricks right now, they should sign up for a Zoom at Newman, be brave like you guys were, and show off their puppies, because I love seeing everybody else's dogs. And I appreciate you doing it.
Yeah, absolutely. That's what we got. That's
All
my
right.
bag of tricks.
Keep up the good work. We'll be in touch. Thanks, Ryan. Thank you.
Thank you.